Hi, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Chidanand, a final year BMS student. In previous class, we studied sharira definition and the importance of sharira. Okay, the importance of sharira jnana prayojana. Today we are going to discuss about the one more concept, that is Shadanga Sharira. What? Shadanga Sharira. When we split the word Shat plus Anga Shadanga, comment below which Sandhi, okay? Shadanga Sharira means six reasons are six subdivisions of the body. Six regions are six subdivisions of the body. There are six subdivisions of the body. It is said by many acharyas. It is said by many acharyas explained this concept. Okay. Now we discuss Shadanga Sharira according to Charaka and Ashtanga Sangraha. According to Acharya Charaka as well as Ashtanga Sangraha. Okay. They says that Dvobahu Dvosaktini Shirogrivam Antaradihi iti Shadangam Angam. Iti Shat Angam. Means they are saying that Dvobahu Dvosaktini Shirogrivam Antaradihi iti Shadangam Angam. Dvobahu, two upper limbs, and those though Saktini, two lower limbs, and Shiro and Grivam, Shiro and head and neck, and Antaradi is the trunk. How? Two upper limbs कितना हो गया? Upper limbs two, lower limbs कितना हो गया? Two, and head and neck one, and trunk is one. Total six हो गया, है ना? द्वबाहु द्वशक्तिनी शिरोग्रीवम अंतरादिहि इति षडंगमंगम. दो बाहु है, टू अपर लिम्स, टू लोअर लिम्स नीचे का, और शिरोग्रीवम हेड एंड नेक both considered as one, and the last one is antaradi means trunk, means middle part of the body, trunk, है ना? These are six subdivisions of the body. These are six subdivisions of the body according to Acharya Charaka as well as Ashtanga Sangraha. Okay. Now we discuss Shadanga Sharira according to Acharya Shushruta. Shadanga Sharira according to Acharya Shushruta. देखो, तथ्य षडंगम शाखा चतस्रे मध्यम पंचम षष्ठम शिर इति. Acharya Shushruta is saying that shaka chatasre, shaka means extremities, upper extremities as well as lower extremities. They are four in number, two upper extremities and two lower extremities. They are concluding that shaka chatasre, four in number, and madhyam pancham, the middle part, that is trunk, is considered as sixth subdivisions of the body, and shashtam siram iti, the last sixth part is shira. They are saying that head. Okay, there are six in number, four extremities, and madhyam pancham, it is trunk, and shashtam is head and neck. These are six subdivisions according to Acharya Shushruta. Okay. Now we discuss the one more concept, that is anga pratyanga vibhaga. Anga pratyanga vibhaga. We studied Shadanga means Shat Anga. Okay. Now we discuss pratyanga. It is divided into three regions. How many regions? It is, our body is divided into three regions. They are upper part, middle part, and lower part, or below part. Upper part, middle part, and below part. Upper part, it is called as chest, thoracic region, right? Thoracic region. Middle part udara, abdominal region. Abdominal, stomach होता है ना, abdominal region. And the below part is shroni. Shroni means pelvic region or pelvis region. Pelvic or pelvis region. These are three regions in our body. Okay. Now, and also we divide our body into three cavities. How many cavities? Three cavities. They are Uroguha, Udaraguha, and Shroni-guha. Uroguha means Uroguha, thoracic cavity. The upper part consists thoracic cavity, and Udaraguha. Udaraguha it consists abdominal cavity, and Shroni-guha, pelvic cavity, pelvic cavity. These are three cavities as well as three regions. Okay. Now, according to Charaka Samhita mentioned that 56 pratyangas, 6 angas and 56 pratyangas, sub-organs. These are Shatangas are organs and 56 are sub-organs. Okay. Bhava Mishra said that eight parts, okay, head, neck, both arms, chest, abdomen, flanks, spinal column, and lower limbs. These are six parts said by Acharya Bhava Mishra. Okay, now we discuss clinical importance. Why we study different regions of the body, different regions, different organs. Why we have to study? Because some disease or some disorders, it is related to the organs only. It is related to the organs. Okay, that's why we have to study. देखो, बेल्स palsy, बेल्स palsy, इट इज ए इडियोपैथिक फेशियल पैरालिसिस. इसमें क्या होता है? फेशियल पैरालिसिस होता है. इसलिए देखो, हमने बताया था 6 रीजंस, हेड में एक है ना, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू स्टडी. इट इज अबाउट द इडियोपैथिक फेशियल पैरालिसिस, दैट इज बेल्स palsy. And carpal tunnel syndrome, it is related to the arms, means upper extremities. The median nerve, which nerve? Median nerve is affected. That's carpal tunnel syndrome. In simple, it is called as CTS. Okay. Now we angina pectoris, chest region due to CAD. चेस्ट रीजन में क्या होता है? पेन होता है. दैट इज ड्यू टू द CAD, coronary artery disease. Okay, this is angina pectoris. That's why we have to study the six subdivisions of the body to know where the pain, where the injury happened. Okay. Now we study the one more concept, that is mruta sharira shodhana. Mruta sharira shodhana. This is preservation and dissection of the body. This concept is about the preservation and dissection of the body. देखो यार, why we need to study? What are the importance to study the mruta sharira shodhana? Why we have to study the concept mruta sharira shodhana? Why we have to study the concept mruta sharira shodhana? Acharya Sushruta, Acharya Sushruta explained the method of examination of dead body or the cadaver. Acharya Sushruta explained the method of examination of dead body or cadaver. What are the importance means? The shloka goes like Tasmat Nisamshayam Jnanam Artra Shalyasya Vanchata शोधयित्वा मृतं सम्यक् द्रष्टव्यो अंगविनिश्चयः प्रत्यक्षतो हि यदृष्टं शास्त्रादृष्टं च यद्भवेत् समासतस्तदुभयं भूयो ज्ञान विवर्धनम्. This sloka explains that when you want to become a good surgeon, uh, to become expert in surgery, you have to learn dissection of the cadaver properly. Dead body properly examination करना चाहिए. Those who want to become good surgeon, right? तस्मात् निस्संशयं ज्ञानं हर्त्रा शल्यस्य वांछता. एक गुड सर्जन को क्या नहीं होना चाहिए, कुछ भी कंफ्यूजन्स नहीं होना चाहिए. And when he want to become good surgeon, शोधयित्वा मृतं सम्यक् द्रष्टव्ये अंगविनिच्य, he has to dissect the body properly and study each organ properly, study each and every organ properly. प्रत्यक्षतो हि अदृष्टं, by proper seeing the method of dissecting, by seeing the dissecting method and शास्त्रादुष्टम च यद भवेत्, तेरी नॉलेज में क्या पढ़ लिया है ना वो कोरिलेट करके प्रैक्टिकल, while doing the dissecting you have to see the proper organs, each and every organ should be seen. क्या होता है उससे, समाजतस्तदुभयं भूयो ज्ञान विवर्धनम. When you correlate the theoretical knowledge with the practical knowledge, it increases your knowledge of each and every organ, which position में है, किस लोकेशन पे है, each and every organ it is known by only dissecting practical method. Okay, then you can become the good surgeon, then you can become an expert surgeon. Okay, this is about the importance of why we have to study the mruta sharira shodhana. Okay, now we discuss selection of the cadaver. Selection, अरे कैसे सेलेक्ट करोगे? अभी देखो एक डेड बॉडी है, पॉइजन हुआ है, वो भी लोगे क्या? नहीं लोगे. और देखो एक 100 years के अबव हो गया है, वो बॉडी लोगे क्या? नहीं लोगे. ऐसा हाउ वी सेलेक्ट द डेड बॉडी मीन्स, तस्मात् समस्त गात्रम अविशोपहतम अदीर्घ व्याधि पीड़ितम अवर्षशतीकम निसृष्टांत्र पुरुषम. This shloka tells that you have to select the dead body. You have to select the dead body according to this. Samasta gatram. The body should be complete with all organs. Should be complete with all organs. किस लिए? ऑल ऑर्गन्स नहीं है तो क्या होगा? तुमको इम्प्रॉपर नॉलेज मिलेगा. ऑल ऑर्गन्स का क्या नहीं मिलेगा? नॉलेज नहीं मिलेगा. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर सेइंग दैट द बॉडी शुड बी कंप्लीट विथ ऑल ऑर्गन्स होना ही चाहिए उस बॉडी पे. सिलेक्टेड बॉडी शुड बी कंप्लीट विथ ऑल ऑर्गन्स. अविशोपहतम. द बॉडी शुड नॉट बी पॉइजनड. डेड बॉडी का डेथ मीन्स पर्सन का डेथ पॉइजन से नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, एंड अदीर्घ व्याधि पीड़ितम. द डेड बॉडी ऑफ द पर्सन शुड नॉट बी सफर्ड फ्रॉम क्रोनिक डिसऑर्डर से बॉडी सफर्ड नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा बॉडी लेना चाहिए. एंड इट शुड नॉट बी टू ओल्ड. अवर्षशतीकम मीन्स it should not be crossed 100 years in ancient days. Nowadays 70 years cross नहीं होना चाहिए dead body. And then you have to select the body like this. क्या होना चाहिए? Completely all organs होना चाहिए. And विशोपहतम, it should not be poisoned. And adhirgh vyadhi peditam, it should not be suffered from the chronic disorders, as well as it should not be crossed 100 years in ancient days. Nowadays 70 years cross nahi hona chahiye. And it should be nishrushtanta purusham. It should be cleaned properly, internal as well as external. Internal small intestines, large intestines क्या करना चाहिए? क्लीन करना चाहिए. ओके, it should be cleaned. The excretory waste should be removed and cleaned properly. This is about selection of the cadaver. Okay, now we study the preservation of the cadaver. अभी हमने कैडावर तो सेलेक्ट कर लिया, हमने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. प्रिजर्व कैसे करोगे? अवगाहन्त्या अमापगयम निबद्धम पंजरस्थम मुञ्जवल्कल कुशशणादिनामान्यतमेन वेष्टितांग अप्रकाशे देशे कोतयत् सम्यक् प्रकृतिस्थितम्. This shloka explains that avagahantyapagayam, the body should be kept in slow flowing river, and it is fully immersed in the water. It is fully immersed in the water. And nibandham, it should be tied properly. It should be tied properly. And panjarastam, it should be kept in iron cage. It should be kept in iron cage. It is covered with munja valkala kusha shanadi. It is, the body should be, the body, the organs of the, all the organs of the dead body should be covered with munja valkala kusha grasses. munja valkala kusha shana adi grasses से क्या करना चाहिए? Wrapping or covered the all organs of the body with these grasses. Okay, then the all the parts of the body covered with munja valkala grass, and it is kept in dark place. कुशषणादि नामान्यतमेन वेष्टितांग अप्रकाशे. Aprakashe means the body should be kept in a dark place. The body should be kept in a dark place, fully deep immersed in the water. Fully deep immersed in the water. When we have to remove the body, means when it attains kotayat, means when it attains putrefaction, and when it attains samyak prakriti sthita, after proper decomposition. After proper decomposition, you have to remove the body from the river. देखो पहले क्या करोगे, बॉडी को रैप करोगे. पहले क्या करोगे, यहाँ पे क्लीन करोगे, इंटरनल एज वेल एज एक्सटर्नली क्लीन करके उसको क्या करेंगे हम, रैप विथ द मुंजा वल्कला कुशषणादि ग्रासेस. इट इज रैप, ऑल द ऑर्गन शुड बी रैप्ड प्रॉपरली. हो गया. वो होने के बाद इट इज केप्ट इन आयरन केस. वहां पे क्या बोला है, पंजरस्तम बोला है ना. It should be kept in iron case, and it is kept deep immersed in slow flowing river. Slow flowing river. कहाँ, किस प्लेस पे रखना है वो भी बोला है वहां पे, अप्रकाशे, where the light not enters. In that place you have to kept this, iron cage in that place. When we have to remove that, means when it attains proper decomposition, then you have to remove from that place. Okay, now we study the method of dissecting of cadavers. Okay, the shloka goes like this: उद्धृत्य ततो देहं सप्तरात्रात् उशिर बाल वेणु वल्कल कूर्चा नामान्यतमेन शनै शनै अवगर्ष यस्त्वग यस्त्वगादीन सर्वानेव बाह्य अभ्यन्तरान् अंग प्रत्यंग विशेषान् यथोक्तान् लक्षये चक्षुषा. This shloka tells that, first line of the shloka, uddrutte tato deham saptaratrat, when you tied the all the organs of the body properly, and it is kept in iron case, and it is kept in aprakasha desha, means where the light not enters, in that place, deeply immersed in the river water for 7 days. How many days? Tatodeham saptaratrat, you have to kept for 7 days. And then after 7 days you have to remove from that. And ushira bala venu valkala kurcha namanyatamena, then it is removed and dissected by, ushira bala venu valkala, in these materials. It is dissected by Ushira, Bala, Venu, Valkala, and Kurcha Naman, and etc. materials. By that you have to dissect the body properly. Okay. And they are saying that shanai avagarsha means we have to gently rub the surface of the body. You have to gently rub the surface of the body from outside to the inside, outside to the inside. क्या करना चाहिए? Gently rub करना चाहिए. Okay. After that, after scraping up the skin, after scraping means yes, tvakadinam sarvaneva. After scraping up the skin, you have to see the bahya and abhyantara. Bahya means external organs and abhyantara means internal organs. After scraping the skin, you can see the external as well as internal organs. External as well as internal organs. Okay. You can observe all internal as well as external organs. Okay. Later, all organs are observed or visualized carefully. Visheshan, anga pratyanga visheshan etoktan lakshyetakshusha. After scraping the skin, you have to observe or visualize all the internal as well as external organs properly. Then you can get the practical knowledge of the all the organs in the body. This is all about mruta sharira shodhana. Okay. Here the chapter completes, the first chapter, that is Shariropakramaniya adhyaya. If you have any doubts, comment below. वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर लो. फॉर हैंड रिटन नोट्स ज्वाइन माय टेलीग्राम, लिंक इन माय डिस्क्रिप्शन. थैंक यू.